Yo, what's going on everybody? In today's tutorial, I'm going to be going ahead and showing you guys a simple and easy way to get an iPhone 13 Pro Max for absolutely free. Now guys, check this out. This right here is my brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, now guys, I got this phone for absolutely free, and guys, you can get this phone for absolutely free too. Now guys, this tutorial works worldwide, and guys, it's very easy and very simple. Now the first step is you need to like this video. Okay guys, this will not work if you don't like the video. Step 2 is you need to subscribe to this channel, and then step 3 is you need to just watch this video all the way until the end, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly what you need to do in order to get an iPhone 13 for absolutely free. Okay, so guys, check this out. This is the new iPhone 13. I have like the cable and the box, like everything. It comes with everything. Okay guys, so yeah, this iPhone 13 was really easy to get, and I'm gonna show you guys that it's 100% working. So let's go ahead and start this device. So first I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just peel this off. And as you guys can see, wow, look at this brand new screen. It just looks absolutely wonderful. Like, guys, this phone is so beautiful. I am honestly in love with it. And guys, I am so happy to show you guys this tutorial so that each and every single person that is watching today's video will be able to get their very own iPhone 13 just like me. But guys, check this out. Wow, the screen is so amazing. Everything is 100% working, and just to tell you guys, this tutorial works worldwide. Okay, so let's go ahead and start the tutorial. Let me show you guys what exactly you need to do. Okay, now guys, the first step that you need to do is you need to go ahead and grab your mobile device. It doesn't matter if you have like an Android phone or like an iPad, iPod. Just go ahead and grab your mobile device. Okay, now once you guys have that device with you, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and open up the web browser. Okay, now once you guys go ahead and open up the web browser, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and type this into the web browser. You need to type in
iPhone 13 Max dot art.
just like this.
iPhone 13 Max dot.
Now once you guys Now, before we continue, guys, what you can do is you can pause this video right here. Maybe you guys can go ahead and grab like a pen and paper or something, and then just write this down. Just write down
iPhone 13 Max dot art.
what you're gonna do. You're gonna scroll down and you're gonna choose your device. Okay, so you're gonna choose either 13, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, or 13 Mini. Okay, so you guys can choose any device. After you do that, it's gonna ask you what color do you want. So you guys can do blue, which is what I did, or you guys can do silver, gold, or black. Okay, so I'm gonna just go ahead and do blue one more time because blue is the new color and it's really amazing. Okay, next you guys can choose the storage space that you want. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 TB, but you guys can choose whichever. Okay, now once you guys do that, go ahead and press continue, and then all you need to do, guys, the last step is you need to type in your email address and then just press continue, and then guys, you after that, you'll just basically have to just go ahead and type in all the details, and then basically they're gonna then ship you this iPhone 13. Okay guys, just like me, it's gonna then come to your door, and then you guys can start using it, and then yeah, that's basically it. Okay guys, it's super simple, really easy, and it's 100% working as of today. Okay guys, now that's about it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you need my help. And guys, yes, just make sure to share this video with all your friends that want to get a free iPhone 13 Pro Max.